This is the new Ajeeb collection. Very lovely. It's like an orange and pink. I really like that. Yare Naal Yari. Funkaran.
So what Kanza's trying to say? Yara naal yari, funkara naal funkari.
मैंने यही बोला है.
Yaran? You put the fun in the fun.
Yeah. Time Maham's about to recommend if I should upgrade my laptop to a MacBook or should I upgrade my old iPad to a new iPad.
मुझे लगता है कि because आप वेबसाइट्स बनाती हैं आपको अपना लैपटॉप अपग्रेड करना चाहिए because the thing is you can do so much on iPad you can't make websites
100%.
and plus जब आप एक वेबसाइट बना रहे होते हैं the most important interfaces are for your phone or for your laptop.
Yeah.
So creating a website on a laptop makes more sense as opposed to making it on an iPad for a laptop screen.
Yeah. I had that conclusion already.
Taking Kanza to the last word.
Lahore is really green. It feels nice mostly, but it is quite hot.
Everyone knows that I love Karachi.
Yeah, I get Karachi is nice for its own reason.
Making this a video, calling it just conversations with Kanza. The last word is
Closed.
it's gone.
Yeah. We're calling another car to go to readings now, right? Yeah, we're going to reading. Okay.
कंसा आपको so far मेरे साथ घूमना कैसा लग रहा है?
घूमे ही जा रहे हैं हम अब. Another gadget after gadget. तुमने कराची नहीं आना इस बैग के साथ?
मैं आई हुई हूँ.
हाँ, obviously.
मैं ना एक वो बैटमैन की बेल्ट नहीं होती?
हाँ.
मैं बैटमैन की बेल्ट की तरह ना अपना सब कुछ लगा कर मुझे बस ये फेस 4 वाले रीडिंग्स पे जाना है. Conversations with Kansa.
Yeah.
I like it वहाँ पे. There are also knickknacks and stuff to explore वहाँ पे.
I really had to go to readings regardless. Like.
नहीं, this one's a good one. So गुलबर्ग में original branch है उनकी जहाँ पे I've been a lot. But this is like a newer one.
Newer one. Okay.
And it's
That's nice.
conversations with Kanza.
It could be like this good intro song.
Every time I say this, it just like it goes to the title screen.
Yeah.
Conversations
Yeah.
with Kanza. With like music.
Yeah. Fun fact that this is Maham and I have worked together remotely for Ajeeb Studio, like us tarah.
For how long? How long have we known each other now?
Almost touching 2 years. So I've known her, and this is our first time meeting in person. Because when she came to Karachi, she just didn't care that I was yes.
I was supposed to surprise everyone.
Yeah,
And then, listen, we were having the first official screening of the ADF documentary,
Yeah.
and everyone who loves and cares about Ajeeb was supposed to show up, and Kanza didn't show up.
I had an event at Karkhana, I couldn't leave out.
Ajeeb.
जबकि मैंने अजीब की डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखी, मैं रोई, इमोशंस
मेरे सामने तो नहीं रोई.
तो बस अब मैं क्या कर सकती हूँ. Yeah, so this is our first time meeting in person. We haven't met in Karachi. When she was in Karachi for a longer period of time, I wasn't there. अब मैं लाहौर आई हूँ and I was like definitely we need to meet. And it
ये भी काफी I think मुश्किल से सेटअप हुआ है.
Yeah, and I feel like not मुश्किल से, मतलब मिलना तो था, पता तो था कि मिलेंगे, but good thing है, like it still feels like this is not our first time together actually. नहीं good thing है ये.
Good scene है.
इसको नहीं पता था last book वाली, मेरी गलती नहीं है.
I didn't know.
It's just the luck I bring.
I order books online.
Same actually. I'm excited to go to like an actual like bookstore and be like the experience. Yeah.
Conversations with Kanza.
Oh, ये वो ice लेके जा रहे हैं.
Kanza's so touristy. She just took a random picture of those kids taking ice.
What are some differences that you feel between like Lahore and Karachi?
The people.
No shit.
Before she even finishes the question.
But like other than that, like much more like maybe you could draw some.
So we had Ajeeb Design Fest in Karachi. I understand it was much bigger than Ajeeb in Lahore. And don't get me wrong, I love our community in Lahore. I do.
What you're about to say is not going to be that. Contradicting.
ADF started at 12. People showed up at 11. Ajeeb in Lahore started at 12. People showed up at 1 or 2.
Yeah.
So as you can see, also I think we're at readings.
Are we?
I will continue this as we.
Yeah. We're in readings now. Woohoo!
We are in
Readings.
in conversation.
भाई कार्ड पे लगा.
We are at readings. I don't know. They're books on design.
I said like, I wish they had like books that were open.
I'm sure they have open copies of these also
Yeah.
because they have multiple in copies. If you ever want to go over them, you can just.
You know that book that's going really famous in the, I don't know if it's good or not, I really haven't read up on it, but the Art of Focus.
I think all design books are so visually like yummy.
Yeah, it's also about like what kind of like book.
No, they're just so yummy to look
They.
at. Look at the eye candy on that.
Wait, let's open it.
It's so pretty. I might actually.
That is actually really
You're
nice.
tempting me to get it. Like, look at this. Color clash.
Oh.
Devils in the detail.
Devils in the खोलो वो book. ये देखो, खोल के देखो. It's good enough.
Wait. Look at it. Conversations with Kanza. A
Devils.
style guide to patterns and applications. Oh, this is lovely. Reeb and I are always sending each other.
Like textures.
Yeah, and like also books that like we're like, oh, one day. Like Reeb will send me the most expensive design will be like birthday present. I'm like, Reeb, not birthday present.
I would rather.
I have a book called Printable. It's so beautiful. It's just on prints and like textures and printing. Kanza's looking at books. She's really locked in for it. It's like you're watching like Nat Geo.
This is a really big book on color.
This is like one of those comically large books you pick up to make it look like you're a designer. Oh my god.
Pick it up, check what's inside.
I want it. अंदर का ना gremlin. Oh, Kanza, look at this. Look at it's like chocolate texture, na?
Oh, lovely. We are reviewing a book that's called Chocolate.
This is such a beautiful book,
It
guys.
feels like wow.
This is such a beautiful book, guys.
Ooh.
It's like
the packaging.
it's packaged like chocolate.
orange.
Oh, is this only on chocolate
Yeah,
packaging?
I think it is only on chocolate packaging. Yeah. Wow.
Bro, this is amazing.
Chocolate. I would want to eat that chocolate. You get what I mean?
What do two creatives do out on a day together? Look at books.
Why do we need art?
You know how like in websites they have a filter which is like price low to high?
Yeah.
I wish bookstores did that.
Has this cover off little.
Bro, जो हमारे बचपन के covers हैं वो तो और थे ना.
लेकिन यार वो मजे के थे. Like it was at least like a nice cover.
Kanza doesn't like how they've made kids' books minimalist.
Look at this, please. Would you actually prefer this? Would you? No, you wouldn't. Would you prefer this?
Over the original?
No, you wouldn't.
Yeah, I wouldn't. The one my mom got me had the actual horse illustrated on it.
Yeah.
I was recording because I could hear you looking for me.
This is my readings for like we're going to purchase it now, but this was discussed in one of my book clubs, and it talks about how stillness is truly the key. But mostly like I haven't read the book, but the guy that was sharing the book was so passionate about it that he literally said that this has helped me in so many different ways. Whatever answer that you're looking for in your life and you are just going into circles, you sit in one place for an hour and you will literally figure it out because the solution to your problems are within you, and stillness is what really brings it out.
But if he explained the concept of the book to you, do you really need the book for it?
Yeah.
The book Kanza's getting versus the book I'm getting.
sweet.
Yes, I am sweet. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Conversations with Kanza.
I asked Maham how it was like to, actually meet me in person.
I think I expected Kanza to be the way she is. Kanza फ़ोन पे बहुत लो की होती थी ना. आई यूज्ड टू थिंक या तो मैं उसको बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं हुई, उसको हर वक्त नींद आती है. बट सच्ची में कंजा की वाइब भी यही है, नींद वाली.
जब मैंने ये सवाल पूछा था माहम से, शी वाज लाइक आई विश यू वर हियर लॉन्गर, एंड नाउ दैट द कैमरा इज ऑन शी इज लाइक तुम्हारी बस वाइब ही ऐसी है, तुम्हें नींद ही आती रहती है बुरा बहुत.
No, I do wish you were here longer. Day out with Maham. That's so sweet. No, I wish he was here for longer. I was telling Kanza that the first time you meet in person, regardless of how long you've spoken online, आपकी पहले meet-up में vibe check होती है, और वो vibe check I think align हुई है काफ़ी. But second meet-up से आपकी जो unhinged energy है ना, वो बाहर आती है.
Was I not unhinged?
No.
So, Maham has vibe checked me, I think 40%, 60% would be in the next Lahore trip, inshallah. Hopefully, we want Maham's 100% approval. How was not that she's asked, but I'll still tell. How was my experiencing meeting Maham in person? Yeah, initially when I actually met her in person, okay, so for the most part, it was जब हमने काम करा था ना साथ, तो there was this dynamic of Areeb and Maham, okay? And Maham was always the Maham was always like the scary one. Like if I had to compare the two of them, and then just to see her in person, be like, she's sweet, And we've grown into this really nice friendship on call and stuff like that, just chatting with each other. Well, I had a great time with you, Maham.
This was Conversations with Kanza. Okay. It is 11 p.m. and it has been hours since I first saw the chocolate book at Readings with Kanza. And I came home and I couldn't stop thinking about the book. So then I called Areeb and I told him about the book, and Areeb was like, man, that sounds like a good book. Why didn't you get the book? And I was like, you're right. Why didn't I get the book? So then I called Readings and I said, hey, there's a book in this section on this shelf of your store. And they're like, that's weird. Why do you know that? And I was like, listen to me very closely. Please hold that book for me. Can I please order it online? They're like, no, you have to come pick it up. And I'm like, can I pick it up in a few days? And they're like, no, we can't hold books that way. So then I was like, I need the book. So then I called the dot man himself, Sanan, and I said, Sanan, listen to me very carefully. Sanan, I need the book. And he was like, okay, what book? Can you please go to Readings and get this book? And then Sanan got the book and he was like, oh, you can pick it up, whenever. I'm like, no, Sanan, I need the book now. And he was like, okay. So then I called Kareem. I called a car for the book because I couldn't risk the book getting damaged on a bicycle. And I waited. And I have the book. This book is so nice. It's such a beautiful book. I am so good with self-restraint and self-control with so many things. But put a good design book in front of me with good typography and a good palette, and I will not be able to stop myself from getting the book. This book is so beautiful. I love it so much. This book is a masterpiece. I'm going to do a separate video on this book. I love this book so much. I love it. And I regret nothing. I regret nothing about getting this book. Thank you.